Good morning, January 10th. For 10 days, we have been caring for ourselves together, creating a little morning magic and offering ourselves embraces that warm us throughout the day. Today's category is the Ingenuity workshop, a practical toolkit of skills that truly make life easier. Our 10th message is: use hybrid brainstorming. This technique has two phases. An individual spent 20 minutes generating ideas alone, and a group phase, discussing with colleagues, friends, or family. Use each other's ideas as a springboard, expand, connect, and build upon them. Make sure that the shared visualization is visible to everyone in real time. Why does it work? Individual time goes deep, while the group phase goes wide. Discussions become more structured because everyone arrives already warmed up. Shared visualization also helps reveal non-obvious connections between ideas. Let's try small today. If you feel stuck, start drawing arrows and write keywords on paper. You'll be surprised how fast the solution appears. I believe in you. Wish you inspired ideas with the Ingenuity workshop from Advanced Embrace.